Welcome to Eagle Education. This is Sekhar Metla, software trainer. Today's topic, dice game. How we are going to throw a dice. What are the numbers it is coming. Using the random function, it is very simple to build and prepare dice game. How it is? Watch the video session.
Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about dice game using Python. Dice game is a basic idea. As you know that there is 6 sides of dice will have, and once we throw the dice, if we throw the 2 dice, either number we will get it back with the sides of out of 6. 2 sides will display any of the number, and we will see first dice what is the number it's going to be displaying, and the second dice what is the number it is going to be displaying using the dice game. It's a very simple, very basic initiated game for the very starting Python programmers. Simply for this dice game, I'm importing random method, which is a built-in function in Python program libraries. Like import, simply call it as a random, and here I'm taking in a class. Name is dice. The name of the class is dice, and the function I'm giving to be mentioning is rolling the dice, right? Rolling the dice method I'm mentioning here, and first dice I'm declaring here. It's in the first dice. Randomize that number at ran int, that int value only we are going to be treating as dice numbers. Right, and this is closed. The possibilities 1, 6. From 1 to 6 is the possibility of dice numbers. And the second one is random dot random. The ready-made built-in functions and built-in methods only, modules only I'm using here. Nothing I am invented anything. Simple, as much as simple. 6 possibilities are available within the dice. Right? Once it is done for writing, what we have to written here, our return statement is from the function. I'm going to return first dice comma second. That's it. Once I have to go to outside of the block of the function, I'm declaring as a dice object over here, and calling the dice function, dice class instantiation, object instantiation here, and print of what I want to print here. It's a dice dot object dot roll. That's it. Our dice game is over, and here the interpreter Python 5.8 PIP8 is accepting something. That line can take 2 spaces. Yes, it is satisfied. Okay, after there is a no, not space is not required. Save it and run it. That's it. Basic dice program is over. Now if I run means if I throw the dice, possibilities are 4, 2. If I run this something number, if you are throwing the dice, 2 dice, it will come some numbers, it will be displayed. If you are throw some other numbers, it will be displayed, like 3, 5. See, if I throw some more time, it's a 6, 5 possibilities. And if I run one more time, you see 6, 3. Likewise, you can simply implement using the random method inbuilt function to write this dice program. It's a very easy, pretty easy way. Hope you understand. Like practice with these lines and the syntaxes, like a basic understanding of the class implementation and the program implementations and the object instantiation, and taking the how to use by using the object and calling the methods inside the class. You will all have a good idea about to implementing such games if you are practicing.
I hope it will be useful to you. Thanks for watching Eagle Education. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. For more details, find the description below. My details are available if any tutorial and requirements. Thank you.